Hey, video.
Whose black backpack is that?
Yeah, it's really windy out here.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's, I think that's Charles.
Yeah, I think that's yours, right?
Yeah, it is. That black with the red in front, that's mine.
I'm sorry, Joe. I
Okay.
didn't know what I was doing. I got really excited about Miss Bunny and into the hospital.
Does mommy have anything?
I was always told, always been good with two family contacts, because what if I lose the other?
No, she. Yeah, sure.
Would you try Mom's contacts on?
No, Miss Bunny topic.
Why?
Because they're made for mommy, not daddy.
Well, you guys touch each other's things anyway.
Yeah, but not like that topic.
Do I hear the wind screaming or it's just me?
No, I think it's a car in front of us.
That's where we find from.
We might be taking an Uber. No,
What?
maybe that's something.
On the way back?
No, I'm going there. I'll call it.
Oh, yes, yeah. Is your dad?
He said between
No.
6:20-ish.